So with Tomorrow University, we're building a global university for impact. We are having master bachelor programs, and as you also mentioned, it's cohort-based learning. So it's not like watching a video; it's live. You're coming together and actually solve real-world challenges. So it's challenge-based learning. The problem of a video conferencing tool, if you're comparing it to an on-campus experience, it's very transactional, because you click a button and then you're in a conversation. You click a button and you're out. But in a physical campus, the magic happens actually when you meet before the classroom. Yeah, so you mingle, you meet your friends, you ask about, hey, did you prepare actually as well? Not. So how do we do about this? Or afterwards, when you actually stick around and have a question to the academic, how we can create a social learning experience online and not just a transactional one. Yeah? If you have a campus, you feel you are not alone, because you see so many other people actually who are talking to other teachers who are having classes, but you see that you're not alone. And in a Zoom or in a call, video conference, you're just entering, but there is nothing before. There are a lot of, I think, challenges literally to make learning online really social. In Cosmos, you can fly in, you see who is there, you can chat to people which you didn't expect even to meet. Yeah, but so you have this randomness, random connections. After class, you can stick around, either in small groups or just walk who is there still and chat. Yeah, what we fell in love with, that conversations are just so much better, because you have possibilities. Like in a real class, you whisper to people. For us, it was really important that there's a great talk, and the most awkward thing is there's a silence afterwards. Yeah. So with Cosmos, you have the opportunity to clap, and there's also the sound of clapping, and this gives you really and it gets louder the more people clap. So it's really like a way more satisfying experience, also as a speaker, but also as an attendee, as a student, you see there is appreciation here happening. Yeah? If you have an academic, he has an office in Cosmos actually, he has an office hour, you see if somebody's in line actually speaking, and if it's really urgent, you have the possibility actually to jump into the room if it's not locked, into the room and interrupt, like in a real university where you just can open the door. Yeah, sometimes if it's locked, you can knock, but otherwise you can just walk in and interrupt. And this is really great because it supports the flow of conversations. Yeah, the video conferencing tools, they're just a window and you just see the other person, but you're lacking actually how does the environment look like? What is the culture I'm in? And for us, Tomorrow University is also about culture. We are about curiosity. We are about courage. We are about community, and we want to express this culture. And this is what is also a space can give us. Like, hey, this is actually what next generation learning looks like. Yeah, and so all of these things now I'm sharing, but it was such a tremendous step forward. It was pretty much a leap forward when it comes to having conversations and making a university more social than just this in and out. It actually is a university is a social place. Cosmos is really the right place to build a university which is social, where learning is about learning from each other,